Nervous, I've never done this before. Hey everybody, I'm Danjo, and today I'm going to show you guys a brand new feature in Adobe Premiere that's going to help you crush that social media video game. Today we're talking Auto Reframe. What Auto Reframe does is, like, let's say you've got a normal 16:9 aspect ratio. It'll analyze your footage and it'll choose what it thinks is the most important part of the footage to automatically reframe it to a 9:16 vertical video. There's a super easy way to do this. It's pretty awesome, and I'm gonna show you how to use it right now. All right, first thing you wanna do is you wanna make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Premiere. So go ahead and check your Creative Cloud, get that going. Once you've done that, you wanna open up your project and head down into your timeline. Now, I'm gonna be using a recent vlog from when Lauren and I went out to photograph some fall colors. You can check that video out right here. I wanna use this section of B-roll right here. I've made some cuts so that it's all nice and tidy. All I have to do is select the clips that I want. I'm gonna right click on that and I'm gonna say, make subsequence. That's gonna immediately pop up inside of my project window right there. I right click on that and I say, Auto Reframe Sequence. Now this is where the magic happens. First thing, you can rename the subsequence, and then you have a couple different options for your aspect ratio. You can either choose a square, vertical 4:5, vertical 9:16, horizontal 16:9. Isn't that what all videos are already? I mean, I guess if you're filming a vertical video and you needed to reframe it horizontal, you could use this. I'm not really sure what that's for. Anyways, for my purposes, I'm just gonna use vertical 9:16. Boom. Now there's also a couple different motion presets right here. If your footage is moving a little bit slower, then hit that. If it's a bit faster, then go with that. There's also the option to nest your clips. You're gonna wanna click on that. If you have any motion keyframing already on your videos, like if you're zooming into the video or something like that, you wanna nest those clips so that it doesn't affect your footage. Now I'm gonna hit create and watch the magic happen. Now you can tell everything has automatically been sized for the 9:16 ratio. It's not exactly perfect, but you can also fine tune the adjustments that it makes. So you go into the effect control panel, everything is done with keyframes. It's pretty dope. All right, so check out these keyframes here. Auto Reframe starts on the camera and then it automatically moves over to my face throughout the video, keeping my face in the center of the screen. This is a game changer, guys. This is so easy to be able to take your footage that you've already been working on and immediately make it ready for the masses. Export media. I had to go ahead and make myself a little preset over here, specifically with the width and height matching the dimensions that you want. We're just gonna export. Now, I'd like to remind you guys that if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now. I put out a new video every week about my travels, photography, and all my adventures that I'm having in the world. I've got a lot of cool stuff coming, so stay tuned for more. Here we go. Exported. Quick, easy way to reframe your videos for social media. That's it, guys. It's that simple. If you like this video, go ahead and slap that like button in the face, bang that bell so you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! I thought I just deleted the entire screen recording. Whew. Double check your footage. Backup, backup, backup. Backup the backups. Learn from my mistakes, guys.